Green sea turtles are the second most common sea turtle to nest in the state of Florida. Unlike loggerheads, green sea turtles will certainly let you know that they've been on the beach. As you saw on the previous slide, loggerheads make a very neat nest with very little sand being thrown. Most loggerhead nests go up to but not into the dune system, whereas green sea turtles come in to the beach and then crawl all the way up to the dune system, and in some cases will crawl all the way through a dune. We had one female last year crawl onto the other side of the dune in Ormond Beach. Green sea turtles will move a lot of sand while they're up on the beach. If you ever have the opportunity to be on a beach while a green sea turtle is nesting, you can hear her move the sand with her very powerful front flippers. She will make a giant hole in the sand. It looks almost like a bomb went off. And then she will begin her actual nesting process. She will lay around 100 to 110 eggs per clutch. Green sea turtles, like loggerheads, will normally nest more than one time in a season, sometimes 2 to 5 times in a season, and with increments of about 14 days. Green sea turtles will also nest later in the season from loggerheads, normally not beginning their nesting cycle until around July, and with the premier nesting taking place in August and September. We actually had a green sea turtle nest on December 26th of 2018 in Ormond Beach. Most green sea turtles, however, will complete nesting by October, with hatchlings coming out of the nest in mid-December.